Welcome to CSS Day 2. Today we're going to learn selectors, classes, and ID. You will learn how CSS targets element using selectors. This is one of the most important tutorials. Let's start by CSS selectors. But before that, I would like to show that at the end of this video, you will be able to make the CSS card using CSS selectors, classes, and ID. We are going to use this one. Let's start. CSS selectors are used to target the HTML element on our web pages that we want to style. Then it is used to target or to tell CSS which HTML element to style. Let's use this HTML here, then we jump to here. In this CSS, we have used this font family to change our font size. The CSS selectors, we formulate in this way. Selectors, then we open browsers, then properties, control, then we give it value. After this, we close this by semicolon. Let's target this HTML, this title. Let's just send this H1. Then this is going to be color. Then the value, just gave it color of blue. You can see here how the selector has done. Element selector targets all tags of the same type. We can use this paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. As you can see here in our editor, we have it here. By typing this paragraph, open browsers, then I type color, then we give it a color of gray. This is selector as paragraph, color as property, then gray. Here on our output, you can see paragraph 1 and 2, they are the same. CSS, actually, classes selectors are the most used. Let's come back on HTML. We give these classes, say classes, we give it title as a name. This title is the one we're going to target. I've copied it, then I come here on CSS, I paste it. Normally classes, we use symbol of dot. Then we use that name title as selector. Then we give it actually the value, the property and value. This color still we are using blue, but let's remove this so that we see the changes. You can see here that we have targeted this class title here on welcome title, and it is still blue color. As you can see here, for instance, if you remove it, deactivate or it remove the color. I mean, yep. Then when we undo it, it should bring this. It changes the back. So we move to paragraph. Paragraph. We are going to give it a class of text. This class is the same as we're going to use it here in class paragraph 2. Then when we go back to CSS and target this class called text, it is going to have the same means. Since we've targeted this paragraph 1 and 2, these are going to be changing in the same color or in the same way. Now color is going to be gray still. You can see both that are changing the same as we can also give it font size. Font size is going to be 20 pixels. You can see that both paragraph 1 and paragraph 2 are affected. Then we also have ID. Normally, ID or ID selector is a tool for styling a single unique HTML element by targeting its specific ID attributes. While you can use classes targeting or many times, actually as many as possible, everyone use. With continue, we use this. We are going to say this say ID. Then maybe we give it main title. This main title, it's advisable to use this capital T this name when separate them. We just don't separate, just use the second name, just capital T, or start with capital letter. Then we go back to CSS, we tag this again, but we use different symbols. Here we use hash prompt, then we give it this, our ID name, then we also give it a color, color of red. You can also see still it works very well. So normally class you as I said using many times, but the ID is unique. So let's just jump into our project. This one, we say that we have to make this, to build it by designing it as it is using CSS classes, selector, and IDs. Let's do it quickly. Here I have here I have this. Just going to just copy this, only this. Let's do this. I just want to do it quickly. I don't want this again to be this video be big. Just want it to be very short. Sorry. Yep. Then I've given the title classes called name. We can tag this. Yes, this class. It is here. Let's just wrap this. Better to do this. Class is going to be this class dot name, then color blue. You can see it. Then this I'm going to give it class of job. Then the job here is going to be gray. Color gray. Let's see which one, this one. Then this country, I'm going to use ID, which is gonna be maybe country. Let me just give it also country. This is country. I just want to copy. Then I use the bomb symbol, this one. Then I give it color of green. That's it. Yep. Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to change this background up here, body, which is gonna be background somehow like purple, which is gonna be 46 to C, then 7D. Yep. Then I come back here on div. I'm going to name it this class gonna be cards. Then this card I want to just put in under the body, which is dot, this is class. Yes, cards. Then the card is going to have width of 300 pixels, background of white, and padding of 20 pixels, margin gonna be auto. You have see how margin auto does after giving the value of this painting and the width. Then we center this content in the cards, which is gonna be center. Then we give also the border to also style it, which is also with a radius of 10 pixels. Let's see if there is a difference between this and this. So guys, see that you can differentiate them. They are the same 100%, which is really cool. So thank you guys. Please consider subscription then for next video. Thank you. That's it.